Hello everybody! Today I wanted to talk to you about the easiest way to merge two different Canva projects together. The main reason I wanted to make this video is because I actually needed to do this to clean up some of my different thumbnail categories the other day, and I spent over 20 minutes searching on Google because a lot of the other videos were years and years old, and Canva's UI has advanced considerably since then. So let's get into it. The very first thing that we're going to want to do is open up each project that we would like to combine. This opens up into its own tab, so I'm going to open up all three examples. Next, we're going to add a page to the document that we would like to add into. So for example, I've got here two regular presentation projects, and then this third is like a vision board or a category map. And you can combine any type of project. So I have already added a page, but if I didn't, I would just add another page. And then you're going to hover over here where it says projects. And then we're going to navigate over to designs. And then if you have more than one page in a document, you may need to split the pages up or add them into a folder in order to get each separate page. But let's pretend for the sake of this video, we are literally just merging one item. So we are going to click the item and drag it over onto the page. And there we go. It has then merged into the document. We can also do this with items that are of a different type. Now, this isn't a presentation. This other one I pulled from it is also a presentation, like slides. And this third item here, like I said, this is like a map, a vision board, a totally different category, but that doesn't matter. We can still drag that over all the same, and it imports the entire image. For reference, I do want to let you know as well that I am using the free version of Canva, and this is on the desktop version. On the mobile, I'm not sure if this would be the same or not, but I do all of my editing on desktop. And this is also currently updated to the most recent version in 2025. If you were using a different sort of project, such as perhaps a thumbnail or a document, you would still do exactly the same process as I've showed here. You would add a page regardless of what that page looks like. There will always be this plus sign to add another page. And as before, you're just going to go to projects and you're going to drag over the content that you want to merge together. Well, I hope the information in this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.